Hey guys, thank you for joining another episode of Mukbang with your host, Dongdigity. If you're new, please click subscribe. And today we're gonna eat one of these huge. It's called Big Dinner Box. I think it cost me about $30, which is not bad.
Delivery?
Well, plus delivery cost. So now, wow, look at this.
Damn.
It's a visual gangster. So I guess this is supreme breadstick. This is that. What is that pasta?
Marinara.
Okay, this is a classic marinara, meaty marinara pasta, and this is a buffalo chicken pizza. Some dipping. More marinara sauce. Thank you. Excited because I love pizza. Let me try this first. They're pretty good at making pastas.
Yeah, their pastas are really good.
I hope Kimi has some.
No, I hate dinner.
It's raining. It's gloomy today here in the northwest suburbs. It rained.
It's raining.
So I guess some cool fact. This was made in Kansas. Two brothers created Pizza Hut in Kansas.
Kansas?
Back in 1958 in Wichita, Kansas. I'm very familiar with that place. The Shockers. You want some? So two brothers borrowed $600 from their mama and started this. Probably
Two
600.
brothers and one cup?
It's 2018. When are you gonna grow up?
I never watched it. Seems like you watched it. Ahmed, come here.
And Pizza Hut also delivered their pizza to space station, International Space Station.
Pizza like this?
It did.
Oh, why did they stop? Too much money?
They didn't tip much. And they said the name Pizza Hut came from one of the brothers' wife. He's like, hey, this place looks like a hut. So like, oh, let's go to Pizza Hut.
Oh, that's cool.
Name is very important on everything. Like Kimi, you have a catchy name, Kimi.
Really?
And also common too, though, you know, but it's spelled differently.
Yeah.
So that's why you're using some unique stuff. So good for you.
What about Dongdigity?
Dongdigity is not unique. It's long as hell. Hard to spell. But
Maybe you should change your name.
what, Dongy and Kimmy?
No, just Don.
Don Jose.
Don.
Don Don. And that good.
How about Ame?
May May.
Merman.
But this name has been stuck with me for the longest time, so. Ever since junior high. This is good. Very crispy outside, but super soft inside. These breadsticks. I think this could fill like 2-3 people easily.
I think even 5 people.
Oh, sorry. Correction, 5 people. So it depends on the portion of a person. Nowadays, that one person portion has gotten so much bigger.
Over the years.
Like even in Asia, I realized
It's still pretty small compared to
here,
yeah.
Japan, Korea. I mean, I haven't been to China, but their portion's been so tiny compared to here. Burger, fries, everything.
But it's enough.
I got the regular crust. Didn't get any special thing. I swear this will be so bomb with rice.
Really?
Yeah, buffalo sauce, buffalo chicken.
Maybe. I see anything from here, right?
It has been a great year so far, 2018. So what is our goal for this 2018?
Healthier lifestyle. I want to be very active. And we have been.
We have been. We've been snowboarding like.
Tell them where we're going tonight, baby.
So tonight we will be going to a whorehouse to lose some weight. Where she found me.
And rescue.
No. Today we're gonna go bowling. So almost every day of this week we did something.
Yeah, we snowboarded.
We snowboarded at night. We work out in the morning and we snowboarded at night. And we ate nothing but a chicken breast and no rice.
We're still fat.
I mean, it's inevitable. Do you know what we do? Do you know what I'm doing right now?
Probably eating the 3-day worth of calories.
I wonder how many calories all this.
You shouldn't think about that.
Right. Once the camera's on, there's no calorie. I mean, my 2017 goal was to hopefully reach for the stars, but I couldn't catch one. But this year definitely be a lot more fit, because now I kind of have a grasp of like when to film and all that. It definitely helps me. As I'm taking a bite of pizza. And definitely, hopefully, we don't swear at each other as much. But when we swear at each other, I think it's like meaningless now. No. So it's the things like, oh, you're such a, like, less hurtful one, like to others, like, oh, you're so dumb or you're so idiot. That hurts. Because we don't say that much.
We don't say it all the time.
You do, that's why it hurts.
Does it hurt?
Stop the camera.
Are you gonna blink that out?
Oh, yeah. We do have a potty mouth.
I got it from you.
Learn from the best.
Good.
Definitely want to teach my dog a new trick. You know. What else is there?
Oh, that's your resolution?
Yeah, I want to make sure that Ahmed knows when I do, or do a sign that he comes to me.
But my resolution is not give a F.
Since when did you?
More.
Oh, just
I don't care what other people think.
just block out.
Uh-huh.
I think that's a good resolution, to be honest.
Yeah. Life too short.
Oh, it's getting hot. as I'm eating this, I'm also hitting food coma. Now I'm also kind of glad and sad at the same time that 2018 we get to start this new theme mukbang that I'm doing.
Tastes like sugar water.
Flat Coke.
It's so flat. That's what you get. That's what you deserve. Flat Coke. Oh,
So I found out whenever Kimmy wants to go to the mall, that is so that she could see her exes.
what the hell you mean?
So every time, let's go to the mall, so she could say at least see her ex's face. They'll all be there just walking around, because she probably text them early. Hey, I'll be there at the mall, and make me look like a fool. I'm just walking around happy, and then all she does, how you been?
Some people will believe you.
Because it did happen.
It didn't happen.
It did happen.
It didn't happen.
Was it after Thanksgiving?
I don't know what you're talking about.
At that mall.
I don't know what you're
And she didn't tell me anything about it.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Too bad you don't get to edit this thing. I'm gonna put everything in there.
Write down my ideas.
Oh, I'm slowing down. I worked out like hardcore today. I always try to live without not giving an F until I started YouTube. Don't you think so?
What do you mean?
Ever since like I started YouTube, I started caring about a lot of things. What might not offend people, what might offend people.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's kind of inevitable because
All the comments.
No, not just that, but these people they're just getting to know you. But the friends that you like talk to for, you know, they know you, so they know what you really mean and what you don't really mean.
True that.
So it just kind of comes with it. Are you full?
I am.
Oh,
Should I stop and then film a little later?
no. Why?
Do I just keep going?
먹을 만큼 먹어. 그래. 얼마 했어?
Huh?
얼마 했어?
21 minutes.
됐어. It's okay.
What are you filming?
I'm not. I'm
Okay.
trying to wait until this thing flips over.
Yeah. Oh. I don't want too much crust. Yeah. Definitely I'm gonna cut down on alcohol. I just feel like each year you gain more power to like control, self-control. Do you want some black sugar water? Texas. You know they actually have a YouTube channel where this girl puts her face in the bread, like in the bread.
Oh yeah.
Can we try one?
Why?
I'll just hit you with this. Yeah.